stay gone. She like to suck me off to Drake songs. Hit it slow motion to Trey songs. She like to suck me off to Drake songs. We pulling foes and we stay gone. She like to suck me off to Drake songs. Hit it slow motion to Trey songs. She won't give me head cause it's just too quiet. I said it's better but she just don't buy it. Taking reviews from the six. When she sucking it she thinks her Drake's dick. It's all good, that's my bro, yo. I'ma make this bitch face look like Froyo. These bitches don't like Meek Mill. She wanna come over, suck dick and chill. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. We pulling foes and we stay gone. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. Hit it slow motion to Trey songs. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. We pulling foes and we stay gone. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. Hit it slow motion to Trey songs. I know it's all fun and these hoes are fake. Nothing was the same when she called me Drake. Tattoo on my dick, I know you won't hate. It says if you're reading this, it's too late. Bust in her face, you can thank me later. It just got pimped by a fast sixth grader. I ain't running through the six with my woes. I'm just bumping some Drake and skiing on hoes. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. We pulling foes and we stay gone. She like to suck me up to Drake songs. Hit it slow motion to Trey songs.